In this video, I show you how to fix Telegram code SMS problem, Telegram SMS fee problem, or Telegram login problem. For fix this problem, go to Play Store, search Telegram, tap on it, uninstall it, then install again. Now search for 111 VPN, tap on it, install it. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Telegram, tap on Telegram, tap on permission, allow phone permission, allow call logs, allow contacts, disable your location. Now open the VPN app, tap on next, tap on accept, install VPN profile, then OK. Not now. Connect. Now open your Telegram app, start, enter your country, enter your number, and click on arrow. Yes. Now check your email. Now I hope that you fix Telegram code SMS problem or Telegram SMS fee problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Thomas Guide.